Our topic for the day is using dimension changes to find volume and surface area. To understand the concept, let's look at the upcoming questions. The first one says, solve how does the volume of the right rectangular prism change when the width is doubled? Now the question is asking us that how will the volume of the prism change when the width is double? Let's look at the formula for the volume of the prism. Volume of the rectangular prism is given by length times the width times the height. So here we see that the volume is proportional to the length, width and height. Now here it says how will the volume change when the width is doubled? So let's assume this as V1 as L, W and H. Now here it's saying if the width is doubled, say V2 we have to find out. It is L times 2W because the width is doubled and H. So this becomes 2LWH. If we compare V1 with V2, we see that the volume has doubled. That means the original the volume has doubled now when the width has doubled itself. That means 2 times the original is the answer, which is in option A. Let's look at the next question. How does the volume of the sphere change when the radius is doubled? So here we are doubling the radius. So for volume of sphere the formula is 4 by 3 pi r cubed. Here we see that the volume is proportional to the cube of the radius. These are all constants. So volume is depending on the cube of the radius. So let's say V1 is the volume originally of a sphere. Now it is saying radius is doubled. Now instead of r we have 2r. So let's take it as V2 4 by 3 pi 2r to the power of 3. So this becomes 4 by 3 pi 2r cubed means 2 cubed times r cubed. So that is 2 cubed is like this written. Now this is equal to 4 by 3 pi 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8 r cubed. Now this is nothing but 8 times 4 by 3 pi r cubed. Now if we compare this volume to the original volume, that is V1 over here, we see that the new volume is 8 times the original. So we say that the volume has changed to 8 times the original, which can be seen in option A. Let's look at the next question. How does the volume of a right triangular pyramid change when the height is quadrupled? That means height has become 4 times. So we say volume of a pyramid is given by 1 by 3 times area of base times the height. So we can write down this as V1 is 1 by 3. Area of the base can be written as A and height can be written as H. Now it says height is quadruple. That means instead of H, now we have 4H. So we plug in 4H instead of H. Now this becomes 4 times 1 by 3 A of H. Now if we compare this to V1, we see that now the volume has become 4 times the original. That means option D is the correct answer. I hope using dimension changes to find volume and surface area is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.